You taking a bath or a shower? Huh? You're in there with all Mom's dirty baking stuff. Getting a drink too? Huh? Get your head all wet. Clean it off. Yes, clean it off good. There you go. Hi. Like it hitting your head like that? You silly thing. It's running off your head. Goofball. Just letting it sit there and hit you. Who's a crazy cat? Who's a crazy cat? Mo? You taking a shower? Got a hot date? Better get your ears clean. You want to clean your ears? You like it, it's warm. No wonder you like it. You see the steam coming off of it, silly. Just letting it hit you. You're the craziest cat I know. I'm drinking the warm water. Well, you'll be clean. Nice and clean.